Can I initiate a video call if the video icon on Messenger is pulsing?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing whether you can initiate a video call on Messenger when the video icon is pulsing. If you're curious about this feature and how it works, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and find out the answer.
Understanding the pulsing video icon.
Firstly, let's talk about the pulsing video icon on Messenger. When you open a conversation with someone on Messenger and notice that the video icon is pulsing, it indicates that the person is currently active on Messenger and available for a video call. This pulsing effect is meant to catch your attention and let you know that video calling is a possibility at that moment.
Initiating a video call with the pulsing video icon.
Now that we know what the pulsing video icon signifies, let's address the main question. Can you initiate a video call when the video icon is pulsing? Absolutely. When you see the pulsing video icon next to a contact's name, it means they are online and ready for a video call. You can tap on the video icon to initiate a video call with that person.
Other considerations for video calls.
While the pulsing video icon indicates that the person is available for a video call, it's important to keep in mind a few additional factors. Firstly, ensure that you have a stable internet connection to support the video call. Poor connectivity can result in dropped calls or low-quality video and audio. Secondly, make sure that the person you're trying to call has video calling capabilities enabled on their device and is currently accepting video calls. To wrap things up, when you see the video icon on Messenger pulsing, it means that the person you're chatting with is active on Messenger and available for a video call. You can tap on the pulsing video icon to initiate a video call and enjoy a face-to-face conversation with your contact. Just remember to have a stable internet connection and ensure that the person you're calling has video calling enabled on their device. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Until next time, take care and happy video calling.